Hey everyone at JP Home Renovations. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this video short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you'll be able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I did get your website here off of your Facebook page. So content is going to be anything that you can see here. That does also include the words, of course, but the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well can be considered content. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage of a website. So I would suggest adding in some more content, and that will also give you all an opportunity to integrate those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So you can work that into your content, and that will help out a tremendous amount. Next up is going to be citations, and I did just pull up a quick Google search here of general contractors in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. A citation is basically your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, Yelp, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, and really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you all would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories. And you would certainly want to grab those listings for your business. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to double, triple, quadruple that. So if they have 10, you guys want to have 20, 30, 40, 50. That's going to make it to where you all are completely dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So we'll move along to backlinks here, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the map pack. This is called the organic section, and the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you all did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You all would want to get links from other contractors that send a link back to your site. And number one, signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And number two, it will signal to Google that you all are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also a lot more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here and put your site into it. It's not showing a lot of data for you all at this time, but I did, just so I can kind of give you a visual representation of what I'm talking about, I did put one of your competitors' sites in it as well. So it's showing they have 36 referring domains, which is giving them 265 backlinks, getting them found for 84 keywords, and that's driving about 44 people to their site per month. And let me see if we can take a look and we'll see what kind of keywords they're using here. And so we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That would be anything that someone is going to think to actually type into that search bar when they're looking for your services. And we'll also pay attention to this column here. This number is showing how many times this word or phrase is searched for monthly. So let's see. So here's a perfect buyer intent keyword: general contractor, Auburn, Washington. So this is a perfect one because it lists the service or the industry, and then it also lists the location that this company is trying to target. Bathroom remodeling, Kent, Washington. That's another great one. construction Washington, bathroom Auburn. So these are all great things that you all would want to kind of integrate into your content, not these exact ones necessarily. It all depends on what you're trying to target and what you'd like to be found for. And I won't bore you and go through all of these keywords, but I hope that at least kind of gives you an idea of what you'd be looking for. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And as I had mentioned earlier, you don't ever want to stop there. You always want to far surpass whatever it is your competition is doing. That's what's going to get you in those top spots on Google. And it's also going to make it very difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. But that's really all that I have for you all today. I do hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time, and you have a great day.